ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I cannot stand fire alarms, aka fire drills. I know they are for safety, but they are so loud. Like, turn them down. What if people are sleeping and they have to hear that? I am serious. No one wants to hear that unless there is a fire, obviously. Sometimes it really ruins my day when the fire alarm goes off at school. I really hate it when the fire alarm goes off at school for no reason. All because it's just a drill. In some schools in this country, the fire alarm goes off on the first day of school. Like, give me a break. Those kids just came back to school from summer vacation and their first day of school was ruined because of the fire alarms going off and making their day miserable. I am serious. Thankfully, in my school, the fire alarm doesn't go off on the first day of school. I feel bad for those schools that do fire drills on the first day of school. But at least where I am, we wait until the second or third day of school or the next week of the school year for our first drill of the school year. What if you are in the bathroom and then the fire alarm goes off? The worst time the fire alarm should go off is when you are in the bathroom. When you are in the bathroom and you are taking a dump and all of a sudden the alarm goes off. Well, you are going to be disgusting and you are going to have to hurry for no reason. All because of some drill. Like, come on. People need to take their own business. They need to go to the bathroom. That is rude that the fire alarm goes off when someone is in the bathroom. That is rude, especially to girls, because girls take longer in the bathroom than boys. Especially don't do that to girls. What if the girls are in the bathroom and then the fire alarm goes off? That is not going to be good because they take longer in the bathroom than us boys. What if you are eating lunch and then the fire alarm goes off? That is rude. You don't do that. Are you serious? In the middle of eating lunch? You don't do that. That is rude. What if you are taking a test, especially on a subject you really hate at school, and then the fire alarm goes off. Well, you are going to fail that test for no reason, all because of some drill. Like, come on. What if it's very cold outside and then the alarm goes off? Well, you are going to freeze to death for no reason, all because of some drill. What if it's very rainy outside and then the alarm goes off? Well, you are going to get wet for no reason, all because of some drill. Like, come on, check the weather before turning these alarms on. If it's very cold and it's very rainy, don't put the alarms on. What if it's passing period and then the fire alarm goes off and you didn't get to your next class yet? Well, you are going to have to go outside and find your teacher you have the next class for no reason, all because of some drill. Like, come on. What if it's the very beginning of the school day and you have not even gotten into your first class yet, and then the fire alarm goes off? Well, you are going to have to waste the first couple of minutes of your school day for no reason, all because of some drill. Like, come on. What if it's the very end of the school day and then the fire alarm goes off? Well, you are going to be delayed going home from school for no reason, all because of some drill. Like, come on. What if it's the very end of the school year and you are doing graduation or anything like that and then the fire alarm goes off? Well, that will get ruined for no reason, all because of some drill. Like, come on. What if we are in a real lockdown and then the alarm goes off? Well, I am going to be panicked because a stupid criminal came and pulled the fire alarms. This is what I'll do to that guy. Yep, we are under a desk and the alarm goes off. That has never happened. What if you are doing a art project at school and you did so well and then the alarm goes off? You are going to have paint all over yourself because that fire alarm scared you for no reason, all because of some drill. Like, come on. What if you are reading a book in the library and then the fire alarm goes off? Well, that is going to get ruined for no reason, All because of some drill. Like, come on. When the fire alarm goes off, it really ruins my school day. The best time the fire alarm should go off is when you are outside at recess or at PE. So you won't have to hear it as loudly. A lot of special education students are taken outside before the alarm goes off, so the alarm doesn't scare them. And I have autism, which means I have sensitive hearing, and fire alarms scare me when they go off, all because of their sound. Sometimes the flashing strobe light, but mostly the sound that comes out of the alarm is just too much. So I am sometimes taken outside before the alarm goes off for the drills. In elementary school, I was taken outside a lot of times when the alarm went off. Excuse me, I was taken outside a lot of times before the alarm went off for the drills in elementary school. Because think of this, the fire alarm in my elementary school was a constant tone instead of temporal. Here is what the alarm sounded like in elementary school. Here is what the alarm sounds like in high school. I am still scared of the alarm today. Even though it's a different alarm compared to elementary school. I am serious. I cannot stand it when the fire alarm goes off at school for no reason. That alarm going off really gives me fears. All because of horn strobes. Horn strobes should be banned from all schools. Horn strobes are the worst fire alarms ever in this country. My school has horn strobes, so I cannot stand fire drills in my school because the alarm is a horn strobe. Like, I cannot stand these things going off out of nowhere. I need to be told when there is a drill so the alarm doesn't go off and scare me out of nowhere. Bye.